Alright guys, welcome to my channel. This is Regenesis, and I hope you enjoy this new video. So I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial how to get virtually unlimited chaturbate tokens without you needing to pay for it. So let me clarify, this is not a hack, this is not an exploit. Chaturbate will get paid real money for these credits, for the allocations of these tokens. So basically the way it works, you're going to watch a video ads or something along those lines just for a couple of minutes, and then they will add a fairly significant amount of money in your chaturbate account, which converts to credits. So for example, I was able to receive $100 credits for basically watching 4 minutes worth of video ads on this website, and it works anywhere in the world. So I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial how you can sign up, how to use it. It's really easy. This level of advertisements made for chaturbate credits just got released this year, I believe. So guys, if you're interested in this video and you know you're going to use it, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Okay guys, the first step is to go to the website I'm showing right now. Here you will be able to get virtually unlimited chaturbate credits, guys. The only requirement is to qualify first. Don't worry guys, it's really simple and it takes only 2 minutes or less. Just answer the questions and you will be ready to go. Okay guys, hope you have enjoyed our video. This is especially for people who loves chaturbate and wants to get more fun and other premium content for free. If you want me to check more sites like this, let me know in the comments if you like these type of content. If you like the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps with this content. Guys, have a great day and enjoy this freebie.